Stratom presents the autonomous pallet loader, developed in collaboration with the Marine Corps Systems Command, Marine Logistics Group. Stratom's portfolio of products aims to empower our customers to overcome their most challenging, real-world contested logistics problems with autonomous robotic solutions. Stratom has been serving DoD and commercial customers for 23 years to develop robotic solutions from our headquarters located in Louisville, Colorado. We focus on developing platforms for autonomous material movement and resupply, as well as rapid robotic refueling systems for ground vehicles and aircraft. Summit, our in-house developed off-road autonomy platform, powers our vehicles and enables autonomous operation on third-party vehicles. Due to the rapidly changing combat environment, Stratom has worked with customers from across the DoD to apply our technology to augment their ranks with robotics and autonomous capabilities. As the Navy and Marine Corps reorganize and adapt their fleet to support the dynamic Indo-PACOM mission, an emphasis on efficient expeditionary operations becomes paramount. The existing fleet of material handling equipment are not optimized to work with next-generation cargo aircraft like the CH-53 Kilo to enable operations in remote and austere conditions. The Marine Corps Systems Command Marine Logistics Group is seeking a solution that meets the autonomy needs of logistics mission planners by augmenting the warfighter's ability to move a range of cargo elements in austere environments and within multiple variants of rotary and fixed-wing aircraft. APL supports a variety of mission parameters where up to 10,000 pounds of cargo needs to be moved between ground and air cargo platforms, including equipment, water, fuel, munitions, and CASEVAC payloads. This capability has garnered immense support from multiple program offices across the DoD as an improvement over existing extendable boom and rough terrain military forklifts. APL provides an option that is faster to deploy upon arrival at forward operating points, compact enough to fly internally on a CH-53 Kilo, lowers personnel and equipment costs to support expeditionary missions, and improves safety through teleoperations and autonomous capabilities, reducing exposure for warfighters and cargo platforms in contested environments. APL's innovative sliding forklift mast and anti-tip system is a novel approach to enable a near one-to-one payload-to-vehicle weight ratio. Combined with the ability to autonomously self-load into and out of aircraft, as well as navigate unimproved landing zones in austere terrain, APL will be a significant asset for any expeditionary logistics mission. APL's compatibility with common payload types, including full and half-size 463L pallets, standard wooden pallets, joint modular intermodal containers, ISU series containers, and multiple launch rocket system pods, reduces the pool of bespoke material handling equipment required to fulfill mission objectives. Powered by Summit, Stratom's off-road autonomy software, APL reduces the burden on warfighters and improves their ability to respond to emerging threats in the battle space. Stratom has delivered 3 prototype APLs to date for the U.S. Marine Corps and U.S. Air Force to support experimentation and demonstration activities within operational CONOPS. APL's design has matured significantly from FY20 to FY24 as Stratom engineers optimize the hardware design and refine the autonomous capabilities in preparation to qualify APL against system and flight certification requirements. Stratom is on pace to complete EMD phase by the end of FY26 in order to be ready for operational fielding by the end of FY28. APL is on track towards becoming a program of record with congressional support for an FY25 POM and U.S. Transcom RDT&E investment to continue to maturing APL's autonomous capabilities and start system qualification. The path to a program of record is strengthened due to the modular APL design and its ability to transport a wide variety of cargo and ordnance to include counter-UAS payloads, as well as Nemesis and HIMARS rocket pods. Additionally, its small form factor and relatively lightweight compared to traditional material handling equipment also enables compatibility to rotary and fixed-wing aircraft across the DoD, including the CH-53 Kilo, CH-47, C-130, and C-17 aircraft. APL will deliver key advantages to improve upon the Navy's existing material handling capabilities. APL is 56% lighter and 69% smaller than the extended boom forklift and has 200% greater payload capacity over the light capability rough terrain forklift. APL's compatibility with internal air transport without reconfiguration reduces warfighter burden, lowers costs, and enables faster readiness when deploying to forward operating positions. Ultimately, when faced with future threats in the Indo-PACOM theater, APL will enable greater flexibility to adapt mission resources to maintain distribution of force postures with the ability to operate on unapproved runways, uneven docks, shipboard operations, and other off-road terrain. To transition beyond Phase 2, Stratom will need support to complete APL certification and qualification activities, including formal validation testing, access to experimentation opportunities, and identification of contract manufacturing and sustainment partners beyond low-rate initial production quantities. Applications for APL provide many synergies between DoD and commercial market requirements, including mining and commercial airport cargo operations. Many of these applications have common requirements, including typical payload capacities, operations in often dangerous, austere conditions, not suitable for persons, and repetition where human assets can focus on higher value and more variable tasks. Due to the APL's recent maturation, many other program offices within the Department of the Navy and Marine Corps have yet to see its capabilities. Stratom is requesting additional support to demo the APL technology to other stakeholders, including PEO aircraft carriers, PEO ships, specifically PMS 365, CD&I, logistics combat element, and intelligent robotics. Stratom is also interested in demonstrating the technology to the Army's PEO Combat Support and Combat Service Support Office, PEO Aviation, Heavy Lift Helicopters, and Tactical Airlift. Stratom's autonomous pallet loader, powered by Summit Autonomy, brings a significant capability that can augment warfighters in contested logistics environments while significantly improving the speed and safety of cargo operations in austere, unimproved landing zones. It enables sailors, Marines, soldiers, and airmen to focus on other tasks that are mission critical and not expose our warfighters to unnecessary dangers while conducting resupply missions. We are looking forward to engaging with additional stakeholders and potential partners to ensure that this important technology is enabled to transition to warfighters as a fielded asset in support of the contested logistics missions today and in the future.